Okay, this is pretty cool. Look at the cat. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, can I get the cat? Yes. Thank you, kitty. Look at me one more time. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's going to be cool. Okay. Pretty awesome. All right, guys, so this evening we're in a place called Martinsville, Indiana. Very cool, little typical small town Indiana. And I've got the Pentax K1000 with the 50mm 1.7. I didn't take any 1.7 shots, but again, what I'm trying to do here is, while I can, get these awesome evening sun shots, these shadows, very cool on the buildings, and you'll see them in this video. I'm shooting black and white only. I will start shooting color after I burn through about 5 more rolls of Kentmere 100. I like 100 film, not a big fan of 200 or 400, although I've got some that I will shoot, some Foma Pan, I think, maybe some Arista still left. But as far as my 100 film, Arista EDU's not too bad, but I really do like the Kentmere 100. So we've got Kentmere 100 going today. Beautiful evening here in a small town. We've got some awesome contrast, some awesome shadows, great sun. So that's the way I like it. All right, guys, so let me know what you think. Please like, please subscribe, and I'm gonna have a lot more of these coming out, 6-7 more rolls of these. So what I wanted to do was wait until I had a lot of rolls shot, so I had a better understanding of the film. Then I'll start releasing the videos. That way I'm not releasing them just haphazardly with information that I may or may not agree with a few weeks later. So we got a lot of rolls here that I'm hand developing in the bathroom, having a lot of fun doing it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know. We'll see you on the next one. That car right there, the silver car. If the silver car wasn't there, it'd be perfect, but I can still go ahead and get it without the silver car. We'll get it with the green car sitting there, although, God, that would be perfect for color film. Oh my God, that would have been awesome. Okay, so here we go, no cars. Like that. Oh, but I can shoot right here. Get those people in there even. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, now let's get these people in here. Whoops. Back this way down. That looks good there. Framed well. Okay. Dude, I don't know if I got him or not. Oh, that would have been better when he turns. Okay, so here's the long shot. I'll hop up here and get the short shot. This is pretty cool. This will be really cool. He's getting down. See, I'm going to be in the reflection here slightly, so I've got to back it off a little bit. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're getting him and this other dude. Oh, there we go. Let's get up close, man. I missed the other dude. Damn it. Look this way, man. Dude, look this way. Ah, dude. Dude. This is a good busy shot. When I say busy, I mean in a good way. Just a hair of an angle, but okay, I think the pizza shot, the guy in the pizza place is the best shot. I'll look him up on Facebook, find out who he is, and send him a copy. The Waffle Witch. All right. Do you have a prize-winning photo? Well, let's find out if we do or not. So let's see if we can get us a photo of the Waffle Witch. I gotta back way the hell up though for the Waffle Witch. Oh, this ain't gonna be easy. There's a crack. Oh no, okay, I can get out there. Gotta go out here. Oh, okay, there we go. See if we can get the waffle witch by herself without the cars. Yes, I think I can do it. I think I can. There we go. Come up here a little bit. Okay, got the waffle witch. Boom. Not the best shot in the world, but it's the waffle witch. Oh, I like this. The food pantry. The Red Barn, Morgan County Food Pantry. This is a lot of busy stuff right here. There's a damn 50 millimeter. Need a 35. I don't know why I didn't put that in the bag. Okay, so there we go. Nope. There we go. Oh yeah, we got Captain Crunch and Sammy Terry. Same photo. Focusing more on Sammy Terry, but we want Captain Crunch in there as well. Feature them in a Indiana road trips feature, perhaps. Go this way with it, and bam. Like that. And here comes our shot. Okay. Kind of like that. Don't know how that's going to turn out. And we're going to go down to 2/50th of a second so we can get about F9, F11. Here we go. Get this shot right here. Man, I'm going to get way back. I keep forgetting. It's 50 millimeter. You got to really work it backwards. Okay, I can just about fill this frame with as far back as I can go, which is very cool. All right. Kentmere 100, this stuff ought to look good. Ought to look great. Okay, so we want to get this corner here as well. Love these shadows. Oh, this is awesome. Filling these frames vertically. Sorry about the video. But these are awesome horizontals. I mean, as verticals. Let's see, what else are we looking at here? Maybe go this angle. 36 exposure, so let's try to use them well. Okay, that's kind of a... How you doing, man? Mind if I take a picture? It's an old film camera. Okay. All right, awesome. Yeah, it's not digital. It's an old, like 40-year-old camera. All right, let's see what we come up with here. Okay, right here, perfect. I like that. That's awesome. Excellent. All right, man. Thanks a lot. Beautiful weather for riding. We'll move up a little closer. Here we go. And here's our shot. Like that. Yeah, I like this foot massage sign here too. It's very cool. Very cool sunlight on this. Oh yes. Okay, this one I can walk in a little bit. Go up all the way. Actually, okay. Here we go. Here's our shot. Try to make sure I am aligned properly as much as I can. Very cool. Yeah, okay, that could work. We'll focus on the couch inside. That could work. Maybe not. Okay, maybe we got a better option in here. I don't believe so. Let's go around the corner here. Okay. Okay, let's see. No. Just want to make sure we're looking at all of our options. That is kind of cool. Yeah, I can do something with that. Okay. Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, I can get this telephone pole in and everything. So I can get some good vertical action going. What's this one? Yes, sir. I love a good telephone pole. Alright, here we go. Here's our shot. Framing it up properly. Top to bottom before a car comes. Here we go. Looks like we are good to go. Oops, sorry. Oh, get a life, lady. Okay, so this is pretty cool here. Actually, these cars here will actually make it look pretty cool. So yeah, this is the shot here. Back her up. Shoot up. Tree. Okay, now this is the shot here. Yep, this is the shot. Make sure I get the top of the building in, framed properly. Level. Yep, everything looks good. Yep. I like the shadow on that. Okay, but we have this over here, which I got lucky because not only does it have the American flag and that city of Martinsville, but it's got the little thing at the top there too. So let's see how this will. Horizontals seem very boring with film for some reason. Digital, they seem to work, but film, they do not. So I like the verticals. Okay, here we go. Make sure I'm lined up, which I am. This setting at 2/50th of a second, f9, seems to be right on. So here we go. Here's our shot. I like this. Okay, here comes another car. All right, let's move on this way. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get this tree a little bit. There we go. All right, like that. Okay, so like that. Yeah, well, I guess move the cars. Oh, nope, got the cars in there, but that's okay. That is okay. I'm not gonna keep wasting shots. Nice shot, nice horizontal. Some would call landscape. Right there, there we go. A lot of glare on that truck, but that's okay. All right. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, we're down about 34, 35 shots, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day.